Even better. Almost forgot to record. Distributive property. We'll just go right into an example. If I have 2 times the quantity of 3x minus 4, right, I'm going to distribute. I'm going to take the 2 and I'm going to multiply it by all the terms inside my parentheses. So I get 2 times 3x minus 2 times 4. Now the reason why I didn't stick that minus sign on the 4 is because I would have had to add in an arbitrary plus, right? You could technically do plus 2 times negative 4, but you're going to end up with a minus in the middle anyway, so you might as well just pull the minus out. What does 2 times 3x give me? 6x minus, what is 2 times 4?
8.
8? Is there anything else I can simplify there? No. Nope. There's my answer. Now, where sometimes we get a little thrown off because we typically don't see the I have such a hard time saying it. Distributive. There we go. We don't typically see the distributive property written like this. 8p plus 16p minus 7r times 4. Okay, what's different about the way this expression is written? Yeah, the distributor, the 4, is on the opposite side. But does that really matter? No. I'm still going to multiply it by each term on the inside. And what we have on the inside is kind of what I just said, a multivariate expression. I've got a couple of p's and I got an r. There's multiple variables involved. Can I combine a p term with an r term? No. Even though they're both variables, they have to be the same letter to be like terms, right? We all know this. So 4 times 8p. What is 4 times 8p going to give me? 32p. What is 4 times 16p? Good. Quick math. 64p. And what's 4 times negative 7r? Negative 28p. R. Am I done? Can I box that up? No, it's not fully simplified. What else can I do with this? Combine the p's. Capiche what do I get when I add 32 p's with 64 p's?
96.
Yep, 96 p's. Minus 28 r's. That's all I can do. There's my simplified expression. Y'all are probably going to do this worksheet in like 7.5 minutes, which is great. And we can relax. Quick show of thumbs. How are we feeling about distributive property? Thumbs up. Super good. Very easy. Thumbs sideways. Kind of struggling. Maybe a little bit. Thumbs down. Just woke up right now this second. Okay. Good. Mostly thumbs up, which is great. Now let's talk about combining like terms, which we already did. Sometimes it gets a little crazy. Combining like terms. For example, if I have 3m plus 5g plus 6g plus 11m minus 2x, and we've got to simplify that expression, we got to figure out which terms are alike. Right? How many different, just looking at this, how many different types of term groupings do we have? Robert says 3. Alex, Janelle say 3. Levi says 3. Good. 3. We've got M's, we've got G's, and we've got an X. Okay? So I'm going to get my M's together in this little blue color. What do I get when I add 3 M's to 11 M's?
14.
I get 14 M's. What about when I add 5 G's to 6 G's? I get 11 G's. What can I combine minus 2x with? Nothing. Can we just get rid of it then? No, we got to throw it on the end, just like that. Now, typically, it doesn't matter what order these terms are in. Could I have said 11g plus 14m minus 2x? Yeah, it's all the same. As long as the sign in front of my number is staying attached to that sign, if I wanted to bring this orange 2x to the front, I would have to bring that negative 2x, that negative sign in front too, obviously, right? Nothing else we can do. All my like terms are sorted. My M's, my G's, and my X's. Boom. There's my expression. So we're starting out nice and simple. We'll build this up to equations next week. Overall, how we feeling? Pretty good, right? Okay. So when you look at the worksheet, it's very, very nice and simple. On the front, we're just combining like terms as much as we can. On the back, we're distributing. This did not print very well, did it? No, you can see it. That's fine. Maybe it's just this one. Oh, no, it's all. On the back, you're distributing and then simplifying as much as you can, combining like terms. All right? You guys want to get started?
Yeah.
Cool.